So this is a question where y is given this value, this function, we have to find dy by dx. Now one approach is we do dy by dx log of, first of all we do 1 over sine x and cos x, and then we do a quotient rule here. But we can also simplify this. So see, the formula of sine x is 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2, because sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cos x. So the angle 2x becomes x. So 2x become half. So x will become x by 2. So let's see, y equals to log of sine x by 2. Okay. And 1 plus cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2, because 1 plus 2 cos x equals to 2 cos square x. So this becomes 2 cos square x. So this becomes log of 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2, and this becomes 2 cos x multiplied by cos x by 2 cos x by 2. This is cos square x by 2. Now this cos x by 2, this cos x by 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, so this becomes log of sine x by 2 over cos x by 2, which is log of tan x by 2. Now this is y, so let's differentiate this y. dy by dx, d by dx of log of tan x by 2, which is, now first of all we differentiate the outer function. So one function is log tan x by 2, other is log of tan x by 2. So we know log x differentiation is 1 by x. So first of all 1 over tan x by 2 multiply by differential of log of tan x by 2, so this become secant square x by 2 over tan x by 2. Secant square x is 1 over cos square x, and tan x is sine x by 2 cos x by 2. So this cancels, so this becomes 1 over cos x by 2 sine x by 2. So we can write it like 2 over sine x, because cos x by 2 sine x by 2 will become sine x by 2. So this will become sine x by 2. So this is the answer.